welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing this look right here. It's a very easy to do look and a very monochromatic look. You want to call it dusty rose, you want to call it dry rose, whatever you like. This is my favorite color and I just really wanted to do a look on it and I think it turned out pretty good. So this is a very easy to do look. I tried to make it as simple as I could, although my looks are really easy to do so. So this one is super easy to do. And if you want to learn this look, please keep on watching. And before we head into the video, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys will get notified every time I post videos. And yeah, let's jump into the video. For primer, I'm gonna use the Face Shop Club Ryan Oil Control Pore Balm. It's a mattifying primer which also helps in minimizing the pore. It looks something like this. If you have bigger pores, it's not going to be helpful to you, but otherwise if you have like you just want a little bit of mattifying, it's a good primer. So for that I'm going to use this because I do think that this look would look a lot better if it's more on the matte side. You get this little puff and you can just use that. And also it's like a weird season out here. I mean, honestly none of us are going out right now, but anyways, like I don't want my makeup melting. For foundation, I'm going to use my trusty Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. You can use a BB cream as well or whatever foundation that you like, because I think everybody has a foundation that they really like, and this is the one for me, at least right now. I like this foundation because it has a really nice finish to it. Right now it looks a little light on me, but it'll settle down. Oh, I get it. Because of the primer, I guess my foundation is not oxidizing. Okay, cool. And anyways, I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer. This is in the shade Medium Deep Tawny. Now you might be wondering, why do I use only this concealer? Because like, number one, I really trust this concealer, and two, because we're in lockdown and I'm not gonna buy a concealer online because I'm really bad at buying stuff online, especially base products, and I do mess up a lot. So this is the one that I know that really like helps correcting my under eye. So I just stick to it until and unless the stores are open again. I will be using this. So on my under eyes, around my mouth, and my scars. If you're new to my channel, I let my concealer sit and marinate for a while so that the concealer thickens up and the coverage is more. I get more coverage out of it. And until then, I'm gonna do my brows. Not gonna waste any time. So I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. This medium brown. I broke my concealer brush. So blend everything out. I do like to use two concealers, like one which is close to my skin tone to cover and cancel out the darkness, and one which is lighter. And for that, I'm using the Maybelline FitMe concealer. This is in the shade in medium 30, and this one I use to highlight the center of my face. Blending it out. going to quickly set my under eye area, and for that I'm using the Maybelline FitMe powder. This is in the shade medium 25. I'm going to use a tiny brush. Some people prefer using blenders over brushes, but I feel like whenever I use a beauty blender, I pick up way too much product for my under eye. So I do prefer using a fluffy brush and just setting my under eye slightly. I'm going to quickly bronze up. I'm using the Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep. I'm using this. This is a really old brush. One of the first brushes I bought off Amazon. So it's like a no-name brush, and I don't know, I really like it. I still use it. This is the only one that I used from the package that I got. It was like 27 brushes or something, and this is the only brush, and my dog chewed it up recently. So time for eyeshadow. Hello. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold chocolate palette, and it looks something like this. It has this beautiful dusty rose shade, and I actually love this color. Before beginning, I'm just going to cancel out the darkness. Just going to use a finger. On a fluffy brush, I'm going to first take the shade because I want a little transition, and I'm just going to place it all over my lid. Now I'm going to go into this dusty rose shade. Just go all over my lid. This is going to be a very easy to do makeup look. I'm gonna go into this dark pink shade here just a little bit. Tap the excess out. Just want to take a teensy bit of it just to darken the outer corner, just to bring more depth into your eyes. Using a bullet brush, I'm gonna first dip into this dusty rose shade and just run it along my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take the darker shade I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Brown.
I like this little time we have together just talking.
I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. For blush, I'm using the same palette as well, so I'm going to dip into the same dusty rose shade, tap out the excess, and just start by blending it out. I know it looks like too much, but blushes are my thing, and blushes are literally the first thing that gets off your face. So you can just take your blender, and I still think it's less. For lipstick, I'm gonna use a little line right here. It's in the shade Graceful Rose. So it's like a nude rose shade, which I think would be really good for this makeup look. I'm just going to have a little.
I like this little time we have together just talking.
You can absolutely leave it at this, but I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gradation, and I'm using this darker lipstick from WetnWild. This is in the shade Cinnamon Spice, and I'm just going to so it's like a very subtle gradation, but still there. Last but not the least, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter, just very little, only two. I like to really blend out my highlighter so that it looks more skin-like and it blends into the skin and not just standing there. So that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this is a look that all of you would be able to do, because it's a very easy to do look. If you dig it, please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.